Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to customize login page in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the customized login page of the WordPress, what we need to do, we would have to install the plugin. So for that, we have to go inside the plugin here and click on the add a new plugin here. And for the login page, I have also opened another browser here. Okay, so now I can see here, this is our login page of our WordPress website. So how can we customize this? So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard, and here we're gonna search for Editant Custom Login and Dashboard. Okay, so we're gonna install this and click on the activate. Now we would need to go inside the setting of Editant. Okay, so we can go inside from here, and we can also go inside from the settings as well. Okay, you can see the option of custom login and dashboard. So let's click here and we would be inside our custom login. Okay, and now you can see this, we have the custom login and dashboard. Okay, so we only have to explore the login screen. Okay, since we only want to customize the login screen. Okay, so in the login screen, you can see first option is the logo setting. So if you want to change the logo that you can see on the WordPress here, this one, you can simply change it from here. Okay, so let's add the logo from here. All right, so I would actually like to go here with this one. Click on the upload here, and you can change the width and height of our logo. And we can also change the logo title as well if you want to, but I won't be changing it. And after that, we have the background settings. So in the background settings, you can set the background color, and you can also set the background image as well. Okay, you would have to provide the background image from here. So let's click here, and I think we can go here with this one. So let's select this, upload this. Now we have this background repeat property. So if you want to repeat the background, you can simply repeat it from here. But if you don't want to repeat it, you simply select the value no repeat. But I would actually keep the default value. So let's select the repeat here, and you can change the background size from here. So here I would write down cover, and after that we have the form layout settings. So if you want to change the form width, if you want to change the border radius, and if you want to change the border width, border style, and border color, you can simply do it from here. So from here, I would actually like to change the border radius. So this would be 100 px. Okay, now after that we have the form background settings. So in the form background settings, we have the background color. So if you want to change the background color, you can simply change it from here. And if you want to add the background image as the form background, you can simply do it from here as well. Okay, and after that we have the form label settings. So in the form label settings, we have font color and we have font size. So if you want to change the font color, you can simply change it from here. And if you want to change the font size, you can simply do it from here. And after that, we have the option of form input field setting. So if you want to change the font color of input field of the form, and if you want to change the font size of it, you can simply do it from here. And in the last, we're going to have the form button settings. So if you want to change the background color, you can simply do it from here. So I would actually like to change the background color here. So I'm going to go here with this orange color. Okay. And after that, we have the form link settings. So you can change the form link setting, and you can also enable the text shadow as well. And in the last, we have the footer link setting as well. Okay, so if you want to remove the register or lost your password link, you can check this option from here. And if you want to remove back to website link, you can simply remove it from here. Okay, so now let's just save all settings here. All right, so now let's just go back to our browser here. Now let's just refresh the page. You will be able to see a different login page here. Okay, and I know this is looking terrible, but this is how you can edit this. Okay, so I would need to make some changes. All right, so let's just change the background color again. So let's just remove the logo from here. We're gonna go with the default logo, and let's just change the background color. So I would actually like to go here with the background color. So this would be a kind of blue color. And after that, I think I would like to change the border radius. So this would be 20 px. And if you want to change the form input color or form button color, so I would actually go here with the blue color here. All right. So now let's just click on save all settings again. Let's just go back to our browser. Now let's just refresh the page. Okay, so you will be able to see a different background color here. But at the moment, our logo is not visible. So how can we make this visible? Let's just go back. And I think we need to change the background color here. So this might be... Okay, so I think this would look fine. Let's just save the settings again. Refresh the page. Now you can see this, we have the different background color and our logo is visible. And we have the border radius and we have the blue background color of our login button. Okay, and we can also remove these options if you want to, but right now you got the idea here. Okay, so this is how you can customize the login page in WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.